Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me in my Vertical Creative Journal from April the 19th through to April the 24th. So let's get planning. Okay, first thing we'll do is take these off the discs and move that out of the way. Alrighty, so this week I am going to use the Jungle Vibes book, one of my favourite books. I bought two because, yes, they are my favourite books. So, yeah, I wanted a colourful spread this week, so that's what we're going to do. Okay, let's start off with a large box down here or something in this area. Because that's where I like to put, so that's the new book. Well, that's the old one. Okay, because I like to put my gratitude down in there. So let's have a look in the old book and see if it's been taken out of here first. Nope, it's still there. So I'm going to use the one out of the old book. I'll use the old book first, and then we'll use the new book if need be. If I can't find what I'm looking for in the old book. Okay, let's pop this one down. So you may hear some construction noise in the background. I think I have neighbours doing some work somewhere because that's all I've been hearing this morning. So I've closed the window, so hopefully it won't be too bad. Okay, lovely. All right, because this is my creative journal, I really don't care where I pop boxes or anything like that. I'll write all over the page. I'll write in boxes, out of boxes, round boxes, all sorts. So that does not worry me in the least. So we're going to pick out a few of these. I like that one, and I like that one. Here we go, putting them on the fingers again. See how many I can get on this time. See what's left in that one. I think I've still got that in there. Okay, so what we might do is we might pop these down first. And I'm going to pop this one up here for a change. I usually pop it in the middle, but I'm going to pop it up the top. And I don't think I've got that straight. Oh, sorry with the barking again. There was a noise outside. Oh, now the dog next door's gone off. So we must bark at that because, yeah. I must answer the call of my people. There we go. And then this one I'm just going to have coming off the side like that, I think. Lovely. Then I was looking for something to do over that side, but I can't really find anything. Let's have a little bit of a quick skippy through the book. Flip, flip, flip. Okay, we might take that one and probably just the really big one, I think, if I can get it off here, because it looks like I've had it out before and I put it in really badly, as you can see. Oh, dearie me. A little bit of feathery stuff on the edge there, but I'll just nick that off. Okay, get that away. Alright, I'm going to pop that one down the bottom here. Straight. Okay, and that one just up here, I think. Alright, so let's have a look and see. Okay, let's do that box. And that box. Trying to keep with the, I think with the, because I've got the red over here with the red and the aqua. I know I've brought the other colours in, so I can bring whatever colour I like in, but I think I'll make those the main colours. So, yeah, quick look through. Oh, boys! Golly gosh! Oh, off they go again. I am really sorry about them barking all the time, but if I lock them out of the room, you would hear it constantly. That would just be, yeah, constantly hearing the barking. And that would be even worse than what we're hearing now. All right, I'm going to pop that one down there. And that one I think might go, might find something else to pop on with that one, I think. If I just pop it there like that. Okay. Now I want to put in some quotes. So that's pretty much what we've got there, is that. I don't want to redo that. Ah, here we go. I'm going to pop that one down there. Should I? Yeah, if I pop that down there, I can still write around there. Like I said, I write on just about any space I can get. I would like to put out those lines as well. So I will grab, if I can find it in my little trusty box, my Uniball Signo in white, 0.1, I think, 1.0. So which I find great for doing our lines. Fan a little bit, hopefully let that dry. Pop that down, beautiful. And then we're going to try and get the other side up so I can do that other side. Okay, I rearranged all of my sticker books this morning. I've got the Happy Planner storage boxes that I popped them in, and they were just all in there, just wherever I decided to throw them. That's where they landed, in the box. So I decided that I would put them in alphabetical order this morning. So I went through and did that. Don't know if I'm going to be able to find anything any easier, and don't know how long it will stay like that. But for the moment, it's done in alphabetical order. So we'll just wait and see how long it actually lasts. Oh, there we go. Okay. Then I want something over there. Why don't we put, maybe put courage. And I'm going to stick that up here like this. I like that, that's nice. Should I worry about the lines? I did it on the other one. I think it's next door, moving bins and stuff about, and they can hear the clanging and carrying on. So, you know, any little noise, and I need to bark at it. Unfortunately, that's what little doggies do. So, yeah. Okay. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so a few more boxes I think would be nice. And we're going to pop some of these animals down too, and the leaves and stuff I think would be lovely too. Boxes, boxes, boxes. What kind of boxes do we have in here? If I could choose that on its side there like that. What would that look like? We've got red, red, red and more red. No, could use it over here, but then I've got the red there. No, I have red everywhere. Too much red. I'll keep that one out because I might use it. I'll keep that red one out because I might use it too, because you never know. You never know. You never know. Maybe I should introduce some different colours in there. Instead of just limiting myself to those colours. Actually, let's go back and have a look and see what was left. And then again, maybe not. Because there's not a lot in there. Oh, dearie me. So I just feel like I'm forever flipping through books. Alright, so I've got two there. We'll figure out what to do with those. Let me have a look in this new one. Milo! Golly gosh, buddy. Golly gosh. Okay, I think we might pop, because that one's got the zebra on it, so it really needs to go like that. We can pop something up there with it. All right, let's just use some of these ones, I think. Getting myself all confused and all sorts of stuff's happening here. I'm just going to layer, I think I might just pop that one over that one just a little bit. Like I said, I can write, I write all over them, and I do like layering stuff. So, but I need to get the boxes straight. There we go, and I'll take a red one, pop it over here on that one like that. Okay, let's bring in, say, we can bring in that colour because that's pretty much there, and we've got the greens, the reds and the pinks, so we can really bring in pretty much anything we wanted, can't we? Don't know if I want any more big boxes though. So let's go back to this book, because I want to keep using the boxes in here. Now he's going to talk to me. So that's what you can hear him in the background. All right. Yes, Milo, I know you were there, and Mummy will be finished soon. So you will just have to wait, I'm afraid. Okay? I'm sorry, but that's the way it is. My poor boy. Alright, let's bring some of these guys in, I think. Let's bring the zebra, because I love the zebra. I think he's really cute. Yeah? You think he's cute too, do you? Oh, he's actually laying on his side trying to get Diesel to play with him. That's what he's going on about, not me. Doesn't want me, wants his brother. Fair enough. Fair enough. Oh, come on. Thank you. I was going to put that one in there, but I might pop flowers and stuff there, and I might pop him. Oh, he's too close. He's a bit close to that one there. I'll pop him here. Oh, I'm going to have to pop him there now because I just popped it up and ripped it. So he is going to have to go there. Oh, story of my life. Okay. Get this one off. Pop that one in there. As you can see, I really do not have a plan when I go to do these. I just pick a book, have a quick look through to see what's in it, and then I just stick things where I think they look good. I find if I have a plan, it never works out how I want my plan to work out anyway. So I've given up on plans. They just don't. Yeah, they just don't seem to work. They go out the door as soon as I start planning. I do absolutely everything completely different to what I would normally do it. So I just think now it's just easier just to not bother and then just do, yeah, go with the flow when I'm doing it. I don't think I'll use that one. I don't know about that one down there either. No, I'll keep that one there and then I'll put something here. What have we got to put there like this one? Yeah, that's pretty. I do want something sort of up here as well. I'm going to leave the rest of the spaces. That's fine. I can write in and around and all that. So, but I want something a little bit up here. But I don't know if I want another animal or not. Or if I want... what I want. I'll bring in some... that. I think I do. Oh, they're called leopard spots. Leopard stuff. Kind of like that. Okay, so let's keep looking. Might have to, yeah, just another animal in there because I could put a double animal. Put an elephant. I'm just going to white out that line. I think I didn't white it out on the elephant, though, did I? No, doesn't matter. Does not matter. And then I put it lower, so there's more lines to white out now. Oh dear, I think I need another coffee. Okay, so there we go. Alrighty, I think that is done. Like I said before, I will usually write in here all over the place. So it's just my journal. I just document what's happening, how I'm feeling, all that kind of stuff. It doesn't actually need to pertain to the actual day, so I'll just write sort of all over the place. So in the boxes, out of the boxes, around the boxes, and I will add stuff in if I need to, if I can't think of anything else to write, or if I just want to, excuse me, if I think another box looks better down here, I'll do that. Yeah, so as I go, I'll put more stuff in. So I think that is it, and I'm really happy with how that turned out. I think that's nice. Like I said, this is one of my favourite books. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you have, hit that bell icon down below so you know when my videos are posted. And thanks for hanging out with me. See you later.